Most 60% keyboards sacrifice comfort for size, but this one actually wants to save your wrists while you dominate the lobby. It is rare to see a compact board that prioritizes ergonomics this heavily without looking like a piece of office equipment. The Kinesis Gaming TKO is a fascinating piece of hardware that manages to pack a full aluminum body and premium double-shot PBT keycaps into a tiny footprint. Right out of the box, the build quality feels incredibly solid, and the included SF Shock Limited Edition travel case makes it clear this was built for the road. What really sets this apart from the sea of other mini keyboards is the modular triple space bar. Instead of one giant bar, you get 3 separate keys that can be programmed for different actions. For gamers, this means your thumb can do so much more than just jump, and for coders, it is a total game changer for productivity. Under the hood, it is rocking Kyle Box white switches, which provide a crisp, tactile click that feels satisfyingly precise. Since the board is fully hot-swappable, you are never stuck with one feel, allowing you to swap out the WASD keys or the entire set whenever you want. The lighting is another highlight, featuring dual-zone RGB that includes both per-key customization and a sleek underglow that reflects beautifully off the desk. But the real magic is in the ergonomics. Most small boards are flat or have a single tilt, but the TKO offers front and back tilting along with left and right tenting. This allows for a much more natural hand position that you just do not find in this form factor. It feels like a professional tool designed for people who spend hours at their desk. It is rare to find a device that balances portability, premium materials, and genuine health benefits so effectively. The Kinesis Gaming TKO is a masterclass in compact design that proves you do not have to choose between a small desk and a comfortable grip.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.